is Jonathan, and today we're going to learn about creating a new function. Goal. Define and use your own functions to turn right. We're going to skip all the middle because it's too confusing and I don't think you're going to get it. Tap inside the function of body between the curly bracket and curly brackets. Enter the 3 turn left commands. Beneath the function, use the existing commands along with turn right to toggle open the close switch. So we will have to turn left first. Do 3 turns left because that's the one we did on the previous video of the coding in Swift. Then now we'll have to move forward and then we have to turn left so we can go to the portal. Then we'll have to move forward. Now we're blocked again. We have to turn right. After this turn right, move forward. Now you're on the toggle switch, but don't toggle the switch because it's open. And if you toggle the open switch, you're gonna obviously just lose a toggle switch for no reason. So after this, you would have to turn right again. Now you're facing the portal. Move forward. Now you go through the portal, and if you know the way you're facing when you enter the portal the first time, it's gonna make you go facing that way. So after that, you will have to turn right, and then you have to move forward. Then you will have to turn left, then move forward. Then after this, you're on toggle switch. That's closed. Toggle the switch. I'm gonna run the fastest so you don't get bored. Please do subscribe to my channel if you like this video and also leave a like. Bye!